The playground here is really big and amazing, really beautiful. The kids are fortunate and lucky if they stay around here, especially the landmark area, because they get to play so often, almost every day, except when it's raining. And it's free entry, so I think if you're not resident at the landmark area, you can just come here. It's free entry to the park. At night after sunset, the boats will be, the night scenery is more beautiful because of the light. Greetings from Saigon. Outside the Vinhomes Central Park is located right near the landmark 81. Over here there's the Saigon River with beautiful houses, and sometimes you see the speedboats. And right here is a park. There are amusement park for the children, a cute statue here, and a nice place to walk, stroll, relax, even running. And there are some stone carving in front. It's a Friday afternoon. The time is about 5 p.m. and the parents are bringing the kids out for some kind of play here. Gotta be careful walking here. Be slow though, because the kids may run and then bump into you. Oh, we saw a speedboat right here. Wow. If you exercise here every day, you're sure to have a long life, because the air is really fresh here and you can play sports almost every single day. Now it's going to be sunset soon, and one of the boats there have the beautiful lights and the music playing. Even foreigners come here. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I guess one of the amazing things right here at the Vinhomes Central Park, we will watch the beautiful boats, especially after sunset time, which is 5:45 p.m. in Vietnam, Saigon. And there's the second water bath. You'll go from the Saigon River to another place. I guess it'll be District 1. And not only that, you can also play sports like tennis and even basketball and soccer. In front will be the tennis court, and right now more people are coming. They will practice skipping here and play some other sports. There's a beautiful bridge right here, and then there are both sides. On both sides there the river. You can actually watch a koi fish, but because it's just sunset, so not very clear here. Alright, there's one good news. The time now is 6 p.m. and the lights in the park is just being turned on, so everything looks so good now. Just now it was very dark. And the building in front is the largest, tallest building in Vietnam, landmark 81. There are some people, the kids, are playing the rollerblade here. They're actually learning from the instructors. There's a beautiful bridge. They actually connect the landmark 81, the Vinhomes Center, to the other side, which is the Vinhomes Central Park that we explored earlier. Now the landmark 81 apartments right here, they have rental according to day, so tourists sometimes come here and rent. I think it's very frequently, every day they have tourists come to rent the flats, the room. One night is about 1.5 million Vietnam dong. And often there are night markets right here. Today is Friday, so there's some kind of night market going on here. The normal style in night market is toys, shirts, clothes, and street food. Oh, there's even durians. There are games for the kids. More street food right here. Alright, thanks everyone for watching this video on the Vinhomes Central Park. It's a nice day today, no raining, good weather, and I'm going to wait for my Grab motorbike to We've been walking street. Today is Friday evening, about 9:30 already, So subscribe if you have not done so, get the latest updates, and remember to also subscribe for notifications so you get a new update whenever there's a video. And then I wish everyone happiness and good health every single day. Oh, please like a video also. You have to get more viewers reach and watch this video together. So take care everyone and see you in my next video. Bye bye.